Hey everybody, Sarah here, back with another monthly plan with me. Alright, it's noon. I've been filming all morning. I've already gone through a full battery. It's gonna die any minute, so that'll be fun. But let's see how much I can get through this before that happens. So, new planner. Gotta touch it. That's what everybody does, right? They touch the pages. It's like this weird little ASMR kind of thing going on, but like I'm too loud for that shit. So yes, energy, I have it. Good, awesome, let's do this. Okay, so we're doing a monthly printable from DesignLovelyStudio. She's one of my favorites for printables, aside from my own as well too, but I love her stuff too. So, I didn't get a chance to do a January monthly or a December monthly for my own shop, so I'm gonna try to get February, March, and April done this month so that those are like done, and try and get like a few months ahead of things. We will see how that goes. My cat is at my feet right now trying to get attention. We'll see if he can make an appearance pawing at my side. We'll see. He's been jumping up in my lap recently. But anyway, so we'll get into it. I like this one because it like kind of kept with the blue, which is close to the colors that are used this month. But it's got that nice pop of like this salmon-y orange that is just very pretty. So we can just get into it, yeah. I'm gonna make up a song. It's gonna sound so annoying, cause I don't know what I'm singing. Ooh. So, what is new? What is new? I didn't talk much in my plan with me that I filmed this morning. Mostly I'm just gonna do like a fast forward on that, because I didn't know what to talk about, but now I'm kind of remembering what I could talk about. Well, I mean, I did mention like a little bit about whether I'm gonna be moving or not still, like, or I mean, obviously I'm moving, but like when and all that jazz. So, I mean, paperwork is headed this way, so who knows. I don't know if it's gonna be a very quick like, hey, we have the paperwork now, come up like anytime, or if it's just gonna be like a month or two before I get up there. I don't know. Part of me's like, heck yes, let me get to Seattle, because there's not really much snow there. Whereas here it's been like minus 20 Celsius. Sometimes it feels like minus 36 Celsius. And there's all kinds of snow all the time. So I don't know. It'd be nice to not, you know. It would be so nice to not have to do that and be in the snow, yeah, 'cause I hate snow. Yes, I do. Other than that, just, you know, collecting. I've kind of like pre-selected a bunch of clip art for some new kits for the shop, so hopefully you'll see lots of kits coming out. The shop's gonna get reorganized. I want to have the shop so that when you go to the shop, you just see the design once, and then when you go to that listing, you can choose your layout type, and you can choose whether you want the full kit or whether you want individual pages. So that's the goal, because over time with adding the new formats and then adding the a la carte option, it's kind of grown into this massive mess. And I'm sure people probably have trouble navigating it if they don't use the categories. So that is the goal, is to get that cleaned up, because it's just madness. It's madness. But yeah, so we'll put this is my year to sparkle over here on the 31st. That's like a perfect spot for that. Other than that, I have a friend on my personal Facebook who, I don't know her super well, but I did hang out with her a couple times in college, and and she went to the same school as me. But she's doing, I saw like a live video on her Facebook, and I was like, oh look, there was a drawing, a really pretty drawing of a girl, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna check this out. So, turns out like she does a lot of really amazing drawings, and I kind of knew that, but so she does like commission work and things like that. But then I saw these, she was coloring them in with like alcohol-based markers, like Copic markers, and I got really excited because I was like, oh my god, where did she get these? Like, where did she get these drawings? I want these drawings. Oops. And then she mentioned that something about a coloring book or something, and so I'm so excited. But I'm just really excited because they were really pretty photos of like girls with hair, just kind of like a portrait with like, sometimes the one had like flowers in their hair kind of thing. So I don't know, that seems like something that would be really fun to practice with my alcohol-based markers with, because I haven't really used them too much yet. I bought some Prismacolors a while back. So well, the reason why I'm telling you all this is that I was wondering if you would want to see, I might do some like color with me videos maybe. I don't know if I would do them here or on my other channel or both. Probably better suited for this channel, but let me know what you think if you would want to see that. Most likely they would either be me chatting while I was drawing with some silent parts or like some music or whatever, or the whole video would just be like a speed up with music. I don't know, but you let me know what you think. If you watch those, I've seen some people do them. I guess it's kind of like an ASMR kind of thing almost if you don't talk, because then it would just be like the paper and the stuff on the ground, like the markers on the paper kind of thing. So let me know what you think about that. And yeah. Okay, so battery is totally dying, but let's get the paydays in order, which for me are on Mondays. So put one, oh, it's hard to put things on straight when you don't look past your hand. So that's just my Etsy payday, so that's what I count, because when you work contract work, like I do, you only get paid when the projects are done. So there's no set payday for that, which is the fun of doing contract work, is that, you know, sometimes you'll have a month where maybe not that much comes in, and then the next month all your projects come in and you're just like, got all of these monies. Obviously hard for budgeting and stuff, but luckily my husband has a regular salary, so pretty lucky to have that. Now, I won't have one for the Monday, unfortunately, but that's not a huge deal. I could put this one down though and write it in. I'll write that in. No big deal. All right. So let me write that in. Payday. And my battery is dying. The other one's still charging, so I will have to change that at some point. So how about I go do that now, and that way I can figure out what I need to put down for stickers. Okay, some time has passed. I had to wait for my my second battery to charge. I only have 2 batteries, and I filmed so much today that apparently I killed my battery. So now I think is going to be pen time. So we will kind of fast forward through that pretty quick. But wait, let's do this. Let's do this first. Hold up. Everybody, hold your horses. I feel like I've got nothing done today, but I also feel like I am getting a lot done today, just because I'm getting so many videos filmed. Like, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 videos filmed today. So, yeah, like I feel like we're getting things done, you know? Okay, all right. I'm gonna shut up now. I was gonna put next month, but I'm not gonna put that. Am I? Am I, Mr. Planner person? Ho ho ho! All right, but what I am gonna do is, it's gonna be frig. I don't know. All right, this is gonna be a to-do. It's a to-do checklist. Probably a work to-do checklist. I don't know. Well, that was sideways. Whoops. All right, and then I'm gonna put goals. One of these little guys will be goals. That works out, right? Sure, makes sense. Okay. And then I'm gonna put audiobooks down. Yeah, that's right. Or else TV, or else, I don't know. I don't know what that one would be yet. Anyway, it's time for some pen. Okay, so I think that's pretty much good enough for the basics. I don't have any appointments set this month yet, so I don't really have to worry about any of that. And that will be it for this video, everybody. So please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it. Comment below if you have any comments, questions, anything like that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!